Welcome back everyone. In today's LaTeX TikZ tutorial, we're going to break down this complex looking yet powerful diagram code step by step. By the end, you will understand exactly how this layered and annotated graphic is built. We began by declaring the document class article with font size 12 point and A4 paper. This sets up our basic layout. Next, the geometry package is customized to set the canvas size to wide format is 11.75 by 8.25 inches and uniform margins of 25 millimeter. This is helpful for diagrams that needs extra width. We load a AMS symbol package for additional math symbols and more importantly tickets, which is the head of our drawing engine. Now we began the document and start a tickets environment to begin our drawing. Here we draw gray ellipse at coordinates 0, minus 1. It's filled with 10% black and it has a width of 2 centimeter and height of 1.4 centimeter. In this scope, we manually fill the region between two ellipses. The trick here is to draw the top of half of the bottom ellipse and then the bottom half of the top ellipse using arcs and close the shape using even odd rule to fill just the region between them. This makes a beautiful shadowed intersection. Then we draw the top ellipse centered at 0, 0 with a 30% black fill, identical in size to the one below. Two vertical lines are drawn, one on the left and one on the right, connecting the top and bottom ellipse. These act as boundary edges or walls. Here we fill a rectangular pot above the top ellipse. It has smooth bottom curve connecting the two vertical edges. This could represent a connection interface or an inlet. Outer 3D structure. Now we draw 3D box-like shape on the left side, suggesting the outer causing our base. This includes some angled lines giving a perspective or extruded effect. This part completes the top cover again angled, making it look like a top surface or lid. External rectangular boxes. Two horizontal rectangular boxes are drawn with slightly rounded corners filled with 40% black. They might represent horizontal signal paths or transmission zones. Signal curve. A curve fill is drawn near to the right box, possibly symbolizing an incoming or outgoing wave. It has a gentle tension to appear smooth and organic. We place a circle symbol at the center of the curved shape using backslash circled cia- circle, with often represents a- and tilted elements or a port. Annotations and arrows. An arrow goes upward from the right and is labeled in Empfangsdipol, which is German for receiving dipole or type of antenna. Similarly, on the left, we label another arrow Sendedipol, meaning transmitting dipole. And finally, a line pointing diagonally downward leads to the label. Hochfrequency meaning high frequency generator. We now end the Tigris picture and the document. To recap, this diagram represents a high frequency signal transmission system with Antennas, wave shapes, and causing and labels are created beautifully TKC. We have now learned how to manually fill regions between the ellipse, draw 3D boxes, and label technical components in general.